Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Berenice Garcia-Tellez. Today we're gonna learn how to make agua de horchata or horchata water. So we're gonna need 1 spoon of rice. It could be a tablespoon or like this. You don't need to soak it, but if you want to soak the rice, it's okay. Then you put it in a pot. Actually, I wanna use 2. It will be 2 spoons of rice. And then we're gonna use milk. And the milk is only to cover the rice. And finally, we're gonna use a stick of cinnamon. Some people use it powder, but I prefer to use the whole piece. It gives a better taste. So and then we're gonna boil it. I usually wait until it boils and you can see the bubbles. We don't want to boil very much because the milk starts making this layer that is very creamy, and we don't want that. So you need to really pay attention. As you can see, here we have the mix and it's starting to boil. So you can use, because we're in COVID, you cannot really put your finger, but in pre-COVID times, you will touch a rice to see if it's like tender. You know that it's ready. So I think we're almost ready to put it on the blender. Many people buy their horchata from the supermarket in concentration, but I think this is more natural and authentic. It's there. So now we're gonna blend it, and you guys can use the option for blend, or if you don't have it, you can just use the option of mix. Make sure that you do it like for 3 minutes, because we want like the rice to be the most that we can, like very, very thin. Okay. Then we're gonna put the mix in a jar. And then we just need like a 6 cups of water. And then we're gonna add again the same spoon that we use for the rice. We're gonna add. This is to taste, because some people like it very sweet, but I don't like very sweet, so I only put 1 spoon of sugar. And it could be any sugar. Some people do like brown sugar, but we're gonna use today white. And that's our horchata. I'm gonna taste it. And usually would eat this with mole or any chicken and rice. it's very good. So until next time, bye bye.